Verb. A verb is a word which indicates action, state, or occurrence. Examples of verbs include the following. James slapped body. Slapped is a verb. My brother is a lawyer. Is, in that sentence, is a verb. He became my friend this morning. The word became is a verb. There are various classifications of a verb. One of them is main verb and auxiliary verb. A main verb is a verb which can stand on its own and make a complete meaning with or without the help of another verb, while an auxiliary verb is a verb which cannot stand on its own and make a complete meaning unless it depends on a main verb. Now, it is good to note that a word which is a main verb in a sentence can be an auxiliary verb in another sentence. For instance, I am a man. The word am is an auxiliary verb. But in the sentence, I am teaching, the word am is an auxiliary verb which has the main verb as teaching. Auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs are divided basically into primary auxiliary verbs and modal auxiliary verbs. The primary auxiliary verbs include the verb be, the verb do, the verb have. The verb be is basically used to express states of being. It has 8 forms, which include the following: be, am, is, are, was, were, been, and being. They are found in the following sentences. I am teaching. We are dancing. They were singing. He has been crying. They are being taken care of. The verb do is used in a sentence to create an emphasis. It has the following forms: does, do, and did, which are all used as auxiliary verbs. They are found in the following sentences. He does come to me anytime he needs advice. They do go to church every Sunday. My friends did not meet me at home when they came yesterday. The verb have. This is used to form the perfect and perfect continuous tenses. It has the 3 forms: has, have, and had. They are found in the following sentences. James has killed another goat. They have seen the boy. They have found another house. He had written the letter before we returned. The modal auxiliary verbs. Modal auxiliary verbs are those verbs which show attitude in a sentence. This attitude could be that of surprise, politeness, curiosity, compulsion, and so on and so forth. Examples of modal auxiliary verbs include shall, should, will, would, must, may, might, ought to, need, and dare. Each of the modal auxiliary verbs has its negative form and its short form. For instance, shall has the negative form shall not and has the short form shan't. Should has the negative form should not and has the short form shouldn't. Will has the negative form will not and the short form won't. Would has the negative form would not and has the short form wouldn't. Must has the negative form must not and the short form mustn't. May has the negative form may not and the short form mayn't. Might has the negative form might not and the short form mightn't. Ought to has the negative form ought not to and the short form oughtn't to. Need has the negative form need not and the short form needn't. Dare has the negative form dare not and the short form daren't. Finite and non-finite verb. A finite verb is any verb which has a subject and indicates time, that is, tense. Examples of finite verb include James slapped John. The word slapped is a finite verb because it has the subject James and it indicates time, meaning it has tense, that is, past tense. Jude is a good boy. The word is a finite verb. Why? Because it has the subject Jude and it has the tense, present tense. That is simple present tense.